Welcome to my channel. Today's video about how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. Firstly, you need to go to the setting option. In setting, click on the Wi-Fi. Now click on the connected Wi-Fi network. A QR code page will open. Take screenshot of the QR code page. Now go to any browser and type xing.org. Upload the screenshot and click on Submit. Now a screen will open where you see your Wi-Fi password. So this is how you can decode your Wi-Fi password. Subscribe the channel for more useful video. Thank you for watching.